I can't believe you can make that much money. That's a lie. Diana often here when I share my success as a professional trader. Despite this skepticism, many haven't tried trading, where you can begin with as little as $10. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how a mere $5 can potentially grow into $2,500. Watch until the end and I will share the easiest, most profitable and safest trading methods I know. Get ready for some eye-opening insights. Greetings future traders, it's Diana here. Even serious traders need a bit of fun. After over 4 years in trading and focusing on binary options, I have learned that you don't have to prove anything when you are making significant gains. On this channel, I divide the most effective binary option strategies. I aim to show you how it's possible to make daily earnings of $5,000 to $10,000 even if you are just starting out. We are building a community to enhance our well-being together. Be part of our supported trading community by subscribing and hitting the bell for the latest updates on profitable strategies. Also, check out my Telegram channel, where you can trade alongside me using my signals, all for free. The link to my Telegram is right below this video. Join us and let's pursue wealth together. Today isn't just a typical episode. I'm introducing a fabulous strategy for binary options, but with an exciting twist to spice things up. Today's session is going to be literally cool. For every trade I make, the room's temperature will drop by 4 Fahrenheit. It sounds easy, but after just a few trades, the cold will set in. By the 10th trade, I will be trading in what feels like a freezer. Can I keep my cool and make successful trades in the chill? Stick around to find out. Let's get everything set up and start this freezing challenge. Watch as I navigate the markets at the cold, aiming to turn $5 into $2,500. Firstly, our candlestick time frame will be set at 30 seconds and the trade time at 1 minute. Then for our currency pairs, we will pick Euro and Turkish Lira, Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar, US dollar and Swiss franc, and the pound against the Japanese yen. And lastly, today's indicators of choice will be Keltner channel and RCI. Our Keltner channel settings will be set at 25, 10, 1 for the styles. Green line set to 2, white to 2, red also to 2. And a nifty background. Perfect! For the RCI indicator, we will set the period at 7 and bump up the stylus of the main line to 2 for better visibility. For the beginners out there, the Keltner channel is an indicator based on volatility. It forms a range or a channel that guides price movements in relation to the moving average upper and lower bands. Any movement outside this channel could hint at a trend shift or an acceleration. Also, the direction of the channel can give us the clue about the asset strength direction. RCI, or the Relative Strength Index, is a technical analysis indicator showing the ratio of positive to negative price changes of an asset. It's a crowd favorite because it's easy to interpret. An RCI over 70, that's asset looking overbought. Below 30, it's in the oversold zone, meaning a trend reversal might be on the horizon, but of course, it's never that straightforward. So, we have our two indicators, and their values will help us analyze the market's direction. Alright, let's dive into our super cool session. By the way, which trading session do you consider your most successful? What the most you have made in the what time frame? Brag a little in the comments. I would love to hear about your wins. So, are you ready? I'm so pumped up right now, but I need to make sure not to overdo it. The temperature in the room is a comfy 66 Fahrenheit, which is perfect. Now it's time to tackle this mission. I'm ready. Are you? Alright then, let's get started. Euro Lira. The Keltner volatility lines are hinting at a downtrend. Let's click down. And we have passed the first stage. We are at $9. We are just warming up, but we already have to turn the temperature down by 4 Fahrenheit. Now it's a chilly 62 Fahrenheit in here. On the second pair, look at the RCI, there is line touching the oversold zone, a sure sign of an upcoming bullish trend. So our bet is up. Just a bit more. Yep, well done us. We are at $17, but it's dropping another 4 Fahrenheit. Now it's just 58 Fahrenheit. My hands are starting to feel it. Alrighty, the dollar and the franc, the trades are not very volatile. It kinda hints at a prolonged consolidation, but both indicator pulses seems to suggest an uptrend, betting up. Boom! Our balance has grown to $33, going strong, completed level 3, but the temperature is dropping again to 54 Fahrenheit. It's getting cold here. Alright, wow, this period closed and this candle's done, confidently betting on a decline. Nothing can stop us. $63 the bag. Judging by the profit we are making, my technical analysis skills are top notch. All these chart explanation and indicator interpretations, they are all a great foundation for boosting your trading skills. So give this video a thumbs up to show some love as I thank you for my efforts. Oh, and by the way, it's now 50 Fahrenheit.
Winter is coming.
On the first pair, oh, what do we have here? It's clear from a distance that the downtrend is just picking up stream. Just take a look at the chart in both indicators. Another bearish attack is shaping up, pushing down. Wow, that was intense. Our balance is at $121. Beautiful. Wow, it's already 46 Fahrenheit. Gotta keep this momentum going. The Aussie and the Canadian dollar volatility is quite high, and these impulses are dragging the trend downward. Let's keep riding this market wave. Place the bet. Wow, great execution, sitting pretty at 233 coins, but the temperature dropped at 42 Fahrenheit. Not loving that all. Alright, downwards, and here we see how the candle hit its peak and the trend reversed. Let's click down. Wow, and we are raised $447, but the temperature dropping to 38 Fahrenheit. It's getting really cold in the studio. Oh, the pound and the yen, the Keltner lines are confidently moving downwards, accompanying our candle, and the situation with this pair remains unchanged, betting on a drop. Here we go, yes, level 8 conquered, brilliant, we are at a total $858, and to get results like mine, you have got to master more winning strategies. There is this epic strategy in the video where I make aim to earn enough for 3 iPhones 15 Pro in 10 minutes. A super profitable strategy. Click here or check out the link in the description to learn it. It's getting unbearable in here. 34 Fahrenheit. So the bulls are taking control of the situation. Active trading has just kicked off and the movement is definitely not stopping anytime soon. Plus, both indicators are pointing us in one direction up. Anyone knows a good way to warm up? Wow, we just hit a whopping $1,648, but dang, it's now 30 Fahrenheit in here. Let's see. Oh, we are back at the Aussie Canadian showdown, and new candlestick forming right before our eyes. And this one, well, according to both my trust indicators, it's ending at its peak. So we click up and finish him. Yoo-hoo! Did I nail it or what? And now for my victory dance. Gotta rub me on in style? Who is cool? I'm cool. Diana stepping it up from $5 to $2,000 to $2,000 to $2,000. Now that's a sweet profit. My friends, oh, you're such a good friend, yes. Hey, come join my Telegram channel where you can follow my trades for free. I'm Diana, here to give you everything you need. I will guide you through trading binary options step by step and show you exactly how to use the pocket option platform. I'm here to support every single one of you every day. That means you can expect to understand trading in just a few days and start making money even if you're brand new to this. I know trading, strategies, and all those signals might seem daunting, but believe me, it's much simpler than it seems. I will personally be there to guide you. All you need to do is follow along with my trade. By following me, you will be able to get consistent results just like mine. I'm thrilled to share all my experience with you. Let's dive into the world of trading together and help you climb to a new financial level. That session was incredible, wasn't it? The jaded trader in me just loved these challenges. If you enjoyed it, how about some likes and comments? Also, I have got something special for you. A video where I made $1,432 with ChatGPT in 10 minutes. It's a super strategy that worked wonders for me. Think you can do better and faster? I challenge you. Click the link here on in the description to watch this amazing strategy in action. And don't forget to invite more friends to join our channels. Let's build a massive, successful community together. Bye for now, my lovely followers. See you in my cozy Telegram. Sending all my love and kisses.